Have you ever wondered what it would be like if your car could drive itself? A future where luxury cars don't need you behind the wheel? Welcome to the self-driving revolution. Picture yourself sipping your morning coffee, catching up on your favorite podcast, all while your car navigates the rush hour traffic. Sounds dreamy, doesn't it? But it's not all science fiction. In the world of luxury cars, semi-autonomous features are already a reality. Advanced driver assistance systems now offer features like lane keeping and adaptive cruise control, giving you a taste of what's to come. These systems are designed to make driving easier, safer, and more efficient. However, we're still on the journey to full autonomy. True Level 5 autonomy, where the vehicle can handle all driving tasks in any situation, is still a few years away. The road to this future is exciting, filled with possibilities and challenges. While we're not quite at full autonomy yet, the wheels are definitely in motion. Now, let's consider the potential benefits of self-driving cars. Imagine a world where the number of car accidents drastically drops. That's a real possibility with autonomous vehicles. These smart machines don't get distracted, drowsy, or drunk, so they could significantly improve road safety. And that's not all. Think about all those hours you spend behind the wheel. With self-driving cars, your commute could turn into productive time. You could catch up on work, read a book, or even take a nap while your car takes care of the driving. But the advantages don't stop there. Self-driving cars could also help reduce traffic congestion through intelligent routing and coordinated driving. Plus, they're likely to be electric, leading to cleaner air and less noise in our cities. And let's not forget about improved accessibility. Self-driving cars could provide a new level of independence for those who can't drive due to age or disability. These benefits could revolutionize the way we travel, but it's not all smooth sailing. Before we hand over the wheel to our Silicon